Alright, this is my truck. Well, this is the inside of it, just rigged that up. But this is what this video is for real about. For real. This is my video on country exhaust, you know, which means no muffler. Crawl up under here. There you can see. Well, right there you can see where my pipe ends. No more muffler. But here's the good part, you get to hear it. So here you go. That's what you call country boy exhaust right there. Redneck Flowmasters, no mufflers. Dodge Ram 1500, V8 360. Tune in for more videos.